Hey, so it's a bit of time after the start of the first videos, but we are going about a new video on fake no more, which is about radical authenticity. And we are seeing the root causes. The next episode is quite interesting. It's about how past betrayal or ridicule builds your mask. And it's particularly important for the people that have been raised, who have been raised in satanic families, because betrayal and ridicule is integratively part of our education. So here's the mechanism. You experience pain, then you create a never again rule, which builds a protective wall and in turn isolate yourself. So pain leads to create a never again, then a wall, pain, never again, wall, isolation, leading to isolation. Isolation, wall, then the wall is because of a never again. So you build a wall. And why? Because of pain. So you were vulnerable and authentic. Then you experience some deep hurt. So you've been authentic. Then someone betrayed you on your authenticity or ridiculed you or betrayed you while you were vulnerable and authentic with your emotions, true to yourself. Out of this experience, then your brain created a rule which is authenticity equal danger. So you want to avoid danger then. And as a result, to avoid danger, you avoid to be authentic and you hide your true self to prevent future pain. This is the pattern. The elaboration on it is that it's not a vague fear, it's a mask that is forged in a specific and painful memory. That is forged in the fire of a specific and painful memory. Your brain, in its effort to protect you, learned a powerful lesson. Being the real you gets you hurt. The mask it built is a shield. That shield also blocks genuine connections. So it protects you from hurt, from being while being yourself, but in the end, then it prevents you from genuine connection from your true self, which is what you need to feel good. So what you can do to prevent that is that it's not about tearing down the wall. At first, it's about seeing that the wall is there, observation, acknowledgement of the wall, and then provide understanding to it and be like, it makes complete sense that I protected myself after what happened. And just acknowledgement and validation of the pain. And from there, once you acknowledge and validate the pain, then you can heal and dismantle the wall to fear less being yourself in turn. And this is what you want to start being a bit more authentic. This is it.